Prove it. Trick your students into improving. The short version. Give students an interesting topic that they will spend more time on and give them more time to spend on it. Details. If you want better results, trick your students into working harder. How? Give them an interesting book with personally relevant topics. Give them more time to work harder. First, this book is interesting. Enough said. Second, better use of time. No teacher talk. Frees up class time for conversations. No research. More time to make a better presentation. No memorizing. More time to practice. No reinventing the wheel. Format is well-known TOEFL essay. No in-class presentations. More time for feedback conversations. First, no teacher talk. There's no need. It steals conversation time. There's a thing called the internet. If students can read it at home, teachers shouldn't say it in class. What if some information falls between the cracks? Well, gee, imagine how much information falls between the cracks when the teacher speaks English for over 20 seconds. If a teacher needs attention, they can get a dog, learn to dance. No research. Personally relevant means interesting. Personally relevant topics means no research. Students use that extra time to make a better presentation and practice longer. Juniors and seniors could use each presentation to answer a possible job interview question. Interesting, personally relevant presentations trick students into doing their best, however long it takes. No memorizing. Means a lot more time for making and practicing. Memorizing is not an academic skill. SEALs at the zoo do it. Memorizing involves spending way too much time deciding on how many notes to make and what exactly to put on each note. Yikes! It's midnight already and I still have 14 pages of notes. Don't reinvent the wheel. Presentation format is persuasive TOEFL essay. Color-coded. Introduction with first, second, third paragraphs, conclusion with first, second, third. Use the universal academic and business format they already know. Point and say it looks just like this. No déjà vu. Whatever you're going to say about presentations, they've heard it all before, including from Korean professors. In Korean. No in-class presentations, because for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Enough said. Too many students practice once and hope for the best. Forcing students to watch this is just not a good use of class time. Make and watch presentations at home, talk about them in class with many new friends. Recap. Trick them. Every presentation is about themselves, so they work longer and harder. The narrated videos trick them into correcting their mistakes. The collaborative conversations trick them into giving help. And as you know, the best way to master something is to teach it. Say, that is tricky. Give them more time. No teacher talk. This is better. No research. This is better. No memorizing. This is better. No déjà vu. This is better. No in-class presentations. This is better. Questions? You don't seem to devote much time to actually teaching presentation. Why? Because the book is made specifically so that teachers don't need to talk. Presentations are not rocket science. They're practice. Big finale. This book conforms to Newton's first law of English education. Boring books result in boring presentations. This book is interesting because it's all about you.